Well, hello again, and welcome to this week's broadcast. I'm super excited to be here this week because my friend and dear colleague, Bonnie Christine, is offering an amazing free workshop. It's a free workshop called The 3 Secrets to Success as a Surface Designer, and I'd love for you to join us in it. I'm an affiliate for Bonnie. I've been an affiliate of hers for years since she first started to teach online. And I always participate in anything that she's doing because she's totally brilliant and you're going to learn so much. So join the workshop. I'll make sure that there is a link below this video for you to sign up. And at the end of the workshop, she's going to be opening up registration to her signature program that's called Immersion, Surface Design Immersion with Bonnie Christine. And she only opens enrollment once a year. So you don't want to miss it. This is a very important time for you to be aware of what she's doing, for you to learn all about the program, to participate in the free workshop first so you can get to know Bonnie, and then you can decide if you want to actually invest in her program. And she allows me as one of her affiliates to offer a bonus program. And she's done this brilliant thing this year, which is that she is standardizing what people can offer so that you don't have to bonus shop. You don't have to go see whether what I'm offering is better than what somebody else is offering. And you can feel completely confident that you should be investing all of your time and effort in the immersion course itself. And what we as affiliates are offering is just a little bit of icing on the cake. And so what I'll be offering this year is one-on-one coaching only to the first 20 people who enroll through my affiliate link. Now, in order for you to focus on immersion these coaching sessions are going to happen after the course ends. It's an 8-week program. There's 6 modules with 2 implementation weeks. And again, I'm going to say this a lot because Bonnie wants us to reiterate this. The most important thing is your learning experience and you being completely focused on Bonnie, what Bonnie's teaching, the incredible community that you'll be a part of. And what I'm offering is just icing on the cake, and it comes after the course has been completed. So that's sort of bonus number 1 is one-on-one coaching. It happens after the program is finished, and it is for just the first 20 people who enroll through my affiliate link. And then the second is a Q&A call. And it's going to be a Q&A call on Zoom just for the people, again, who come and purchase the program through my affiliate link. And it also happens after the program is finished. The reason this is really brilliant is because not everyone actually finishes the course in the 8 weeks because life happens. And so having a Q&A with me after that will be an opportunity for me to help set you up for success, to ensure that you do what we all want you to do, which is to finish the program and start to launch yourself into the world of surface design in a way that's going to be truly unique and work best for you. So I'm super excited about that. I wanted to get the news out really early to make sure that A, you sign up for the workshop, and then you also know that when enrollment opens, you have an opportunity to actually purchase the program to get my additional support and what that looks like and when it all happens. So of course, you can always contact me by leaving a comment below this video and or by sending me a direct message. If you've got other questions or want some additional information, I'm happy to supply it. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. So I always like to say in closing that I am Anne LaFollette, and it's never too late to create. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week.